Hey everybody, this is Matt. I'm a video editor for Click and Learn software. We recently invested in a drone to prepare ourselves for a trip that we have coming up soon where our entire team is going to meet up, talk about projects, and see what we can put together. This is going to be my first time flying one, so I asked my friend Jake of Jake G Productions to give me a little how-to, so we'll see how it all goes.